Hello sir, my name is Shan Ghaisas and I study in Navrashta School, Sama. The question I want to ask, is, I've heard that you have got over 100 patents, but how do you get a patent if you invent something?
When you invent something, first thing you have to do is find out whether it is indeed an invention. So you have to do a patent search. So you write down a paragraph about your idea, in particular with focus on what is that you have invented, why you think it is new, and then ask experts to do a patent search. There's a global database of patents. So they do patent search, and then from patent search they can come back and say, yes, maybe this is patentable, maybe it is not patentable. Maybe it's an invention, maybe it's not an invention. You may think it's an invention, but somebody out there in middle of nowhere in Africa or America may have already invented it 20 years ago. So first step is patent search. After patent search, you hire a lawyer who would write a patent document. The key is to really understand what is that you are claiming as intellectual property. So you write a patent which describes the invention, prior art, the new idea you have, and then in that idea you patent specific things that you are trying to claim. Let me give you one example to simplify. I invented a patent on electronic diary. Take the black diary, put it in electronics in 1973. I filed a patent in 74, got it in 75. The key idea there was that you put in a message according to a time saying 7:30 dinner with Madhubai. When the real time and the message time match, it gives you alarm with a display. That was the intellectual property. But to get that intellectual property, you have to design it, develop it, document it, come up with all the diagrams, graphs, file a 50-page document, spend thousands of dollars. And when you get that claim, then nobody can use that. I got the patent in 75, and finally in 1993, I got tons of royalty from Radio Shack, Texas Instrument, Casio, Sharp, Toshiba. So ideas have lots of values. Some are patentable, some are not. So it's a process. I hope this gives you a little idea.